What are we gonna do with you, Shelby American? What are we gonna do with you?
This cable station, the board gets the staff and management.
It is really difficult for me to fathom why Shelby American didn't send out their S197 GT350s with oil catch cans. All right, Dad, let's see what Shelby American sent us. What they should have provided with the vehicle back in 2012. But anyway, we'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's see these oil separators. Surgical cuts, excellent. We want to protect that collectible Shelby packing tape. Oh, very nice. Very nice. As shown, enlarged in detail on the website. Wait a minute, Shelby American, you didn't even send braided hose line? No braided hose line? All right, let's see what else is going on here. Oh my gosh, you couldn't send black clamps? Oh, Shelby American, not only did you not put oil separators on, sending out vehicles with 12 pounds of boost on stock engines, but we've got, oh my, let's take a look. Yeah, standard hose, metallic clamps, and this engine has beautiful braided hoses. So we may have to cover these hoses with some braiding, or these bad boys are really nice though. This is a really nice touch. Compact and small, maybe like right there. You gotta listen to Tommy at Galpin. He thinks Dad and I are too stupid to put on the oil separators.
He thinks Dad and I are too stupid.
He said he wants to see the car. This is his baby. He wants to take care of it. We got to listen to Tommy. We got to listen to Tommy at Galpin. You've got to check out some of these amazing Shelbys here. The Shelby GT cars are really, really awesome in person. They have great body lines. Check out this one right here. I really like the front splitter and all the attention to the detail with the insignias. Really, really sharp looking Mustangs. Even after a decade of ownership, this is still my favorite Shelby American vehicle. We fell in love with it right away in 2012 and 2011 when we ordered it, and it still holds a special place in our heart. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick this up, but you can see the two different shades of white. And it's really bright out here, and I think the camera's gonna pick this up, but you can tell we had the front end PPF'd to the door, and we recently took this PPF off, and the PPF over here is yellowed. It's yellowed over the years, over the last decade, so you can tell there's two different shades of white on the car, but we're gonna have this re-PPF'd very soon. I don't know if I can do this here, but I can actually pick the corner of this off. Come on. There we go, and show you. See how white it is under there? See how yellow it is? So the PPF has yellowed, but we're gonna get that corrected soon and get it redone with material that doesn't yellow over the years. It doesn't yellow over time. When we were at Shelby American in 2012 is have everyone who worked on the car sign the underneath of the trunk. Shelby American sends out a universal oil separator kit for all of their Shelby American vehicles. It's up to you to decide how to install it, where to put the catch cans, and find out what setup is best for you. So we're actually discussing that right now, how we're gonna set this up. Right now we are calling up Eric Simpkins. He is the chief fabricator and engineer for Orange Car, our 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302 track car. He's gonna come up here and take a look. Again, we have the Whipple 2.3 supercharger rear feed on this vehicle, and the Shelby American oil separator kit is universal. It's not exactly made for this vehicle, or particularly any of their vehicles. You have to customize it to fit, so we're gonna get a better idea from Eric. He's gonna come up here and take a look. So maybe Tommy was right. My dad and I are just too stupid to figure this out.
This cable station, or its staff.
That's probably the easiest option.
And I like how close it is. I know it doesn't matter.
Just be careful not to cut all the way through because you have that O-ring.
Going to install the passenger side oil separator. We do not need the driver side, it is not required. That's mainly used for when the vehicle is off, when the air is filtered through. It usually collects any bit of oil that might be coming through there, but generally only for when the vehicle is off. So we're going to hold off on the driver side. The install is very complicated over there. We're going to handle the biggest priority, which is the passenger side. That collects the oil when the vehicle is on, the engine is running, especially when you've got your foot to the floor. Check out this install spot.
That looks really good. Nice clean, that's nice. That is really nice.
You put spray sealant on the fittings?
Yes. Well, there it is, our passenger side oil separator. Some fresh 5W50 full synthetic oil. Thank you so much. All right, Dad, let's see how much extra horsepower the oil separator gave us. Welcome to LA traffic.
It's not.